Hi, my name is Andrea with Foodimentary Adventures in Food, and today I'm sharing a quick and easy recipe for cream cheese banana pecan bread. So let me show you what you're going to need. You're going to need some flour, sugar, an egg that's at room temperature, one large ripe banana, pecans, but if you prefer to use walnuts, that would work too. I'm just a pecan girl, so that's what I'm using. You're going to need some vanilla, salt, baking powder, and baking soda, and softened cream cheese and butter. And as usual, I'll make sure to leave the recipe in the description box. Okay, so we're going to start off by creaming our softened cream cheese and butter. And now I'm going to add in my sugar and my egg. So now we're going to start working with our dry ingredients. I've got my flour in a bowl, and now I'm adding in my baking powder, my baking soda, and my salt. And I'm just going to use a whisk to get everything all combined. And I'm going to take some of the flour mixture and add it to my pecans and just stir them around a little bit. And that is going to keep my pecans from sinking to the bottom of that banana bread. And then I'm just going to set both of these aside. So now I'm just going to gradually add my flour mixture into the butter mixture a little at a time. All right, so now I'm just going to stir in my vanilla, my pecans, and my banana. And I did mash it with a fork. And I'm just going to give it a good stir. Okay, so for this recipe, you need an 8x4 loaf pan. And when I was gathering my ingredients for this recipe, I could not find my glass loaf pan anywhere. So that is why I'm using this aluminum one. I heavily sprayed it with baking spray. And as you can see right now, I'm just putting the batter in the loaf pan. And I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Okay, so my banana bread is ready for the oven. I am going to bake this for about 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. So I just took the banana bread out of the oven. I ended up letting this bake for about an hour. And as you can see, I've got it cooling on a wire rack. I'm gonna let it cool for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to remove it from the pan, put it back on the wire rack, and let it cool for about half an hour. Okay, so here is the banana bread. Such a quick and easy recipe. I hope you all enjoyed it. I have an entire playlist of quick and easy recipes that I will link in the description box. And you can see that the pecans are throughout that banana bread because I coated them in that flour mixture first. But I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we'd love to have you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.